request to show you how we do our base onion gravy. Now this is it, ladies and gentlemen. What we have done here, we chopped a couple of onion. You can see in this the pan here. About a kg of onion. There we are. Excuse me. We have some vegetable oil here. We have carrots, chopped up carrot, green pepper, red pepper, a bit of chopped up coriander, and some peeled tomato. You can get them in any supermarket in a small tin. Some salt, and we have ginger and garlic paste here. We blend it in a blender, and Chef Imran is going to demonstrate, show you how we start making the base gravy. All of you waiting for, that's it. Let's go and show you how the base gravy is done. Now it's tipping a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of mixed ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic there. It's about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then it's tipping the peeled tomato in. And now it's going to tip the chopped green pepper, coriander, chopped red pepper, and the slice of carrots. Then we are putting the slice of carrots in. Now it's putting just over a pint of water. Okay. There we are, and we're going to go over to the cooker now. There we go. So we'll cook this on a high heat for how long? And about an hour or so. We'll put the lid on. There we go. And the next part we'll show you step by step the next procedure. Well, as you can see, we're about 10 minutes into the cooking. 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes into the cooking procedure now. And as you can see, the onions and carrots and green pepper is slowly melting, and we will do the same procedure for about 40 minutes or so. Back to the video, we're about 25 minutes into the cooking procedure. As you can see, the chopped onion is almost melted away, and also the green pepper and the red pepper plus the carrots is slowly melting. We'll do this for about another 20-25 minutes cooking, and then we'll show you the next procedure into making our base gravy. This is the most sought after ingredients in the Indian cuisine or Indian restaurant trade, and most of you wanted to know how do we make this, and we are showing you slowly. And so let's wait for a few more minutes until it gets, and we'll show you the next procedure of how this ingredients turns into our base gravy. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the final stages of our the gravy. Now Chef Imran is going to put sprinkling some mixed powder. Now he's putting 2 tablespoons of mixed powder in. Now he is topping 1, 2, 3, 5 tablespoons of coronation milk. We just took 5 tablespoons of coronation milk. You can substitute the coronation milk, you can put cream. Instead of putting coronation milk, you can put single or double cream in there. There you go. And as you can see, it's given a good old lovely mix. It's mixing the ingredients together now. There we are. It looks all creamy and spicy. Now the next procedure, how long are we going to cook this? About 5 minutes cooking when we add the spice and your creams and your coronation milk. You don't have to put coronation milk and the cream together, you just put substitute one. If you put either, you can use single cream or coronation milk. And it's total cooking time about 45 minutes to an hour. And we'll leave this for about 5 minutes, and then we will show you the next procedure, which we'll put it in a blender and blend it. And that will become your base gravy for all your chicken and meat dishes. Okay, right, here we are. You can use a hand blender, or you can use one of these, the non-commercial blender at home you have. And there we go. We've done our mixing. Now Chef Imran is going to show you a final product. You can loosen by adding a bit more water to it. If you think this gravy is thick, then you can loosen it by adding a bit more water to your desired taste. And that's how we do our base gravy. So it's now at the moment it's quite thick. You can always add some water to make it a bit more runnier according to your taste. And that's how we just told you how to make. The most popular ingredients we have in the Indian restaurant is the base gravy. There we are. And the further videos will make you some more in the future to show you even more. Lovely. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video.